my coffee
Plantation. Yeah.
here in Bali, Indonesia. We are here in Lobak Coffee. Tahan-tahan ka here.
Very nice, peaceful.
Yeah, okay. So come to our garden and here have the coffee plantation.
Okay.
You have been to coffee plantation?
No, first time.
No, first time. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Do you like coffee?
Oh, love
Yeah,
coffee.
Okay, and here we have coffee Arabica.
Oh, this
I
one?
explain you about the coffee plantation. Yeah.
Okay.
Plant is the Arabica coffee, just low caffeine with strong taste. The taste character is sour. Arabica, small tree with small leaf. The
Oh.
more height, the plant is the Robusta. A Robusta, just more caffeine.
This one?
The taste smooth and bitter. No, the other one.
This one?
Have the bean.
Oh, right there. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Nice.
Also, we have in here, we have the plant is the durian tree. The durian, yeah, stinky fruit.
Yes.
Fruit, but you don't have the fruit, yeah, because maybe still coming to the flower.
Oh, okay. Durian.
And then here we have in Bali, we have to call the local salad, we call the snake skin fruit. But the skin seem look like with the snake because we call the snake skin fruit.
Mm.
And then here we have the plant, the hybrid coffee with between Arabica and Robusta. For the Bali coffee, just low caffeine with the lake and the little sour. Similar with Arabica because Bali coffee are close to Arabica. Yeah. Ah, the cacao tree.
Yeah.
Cacao, yeah. Chocolate.
The yellow one we use for hot chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
The red one we use for coffee. We have the two types of chocolate.
Okay.
And then here we have animal we call luwak. Eating
Lua.
coffee bean and then make the poop we call the luwak coffee. Did you
Oh.
hear about the luwak coffee?
Yeah, our tour guide there, she said yeah.
Okay, yeah. And then in this the famous coffee, expensive coffee in the world. The animal, the name is the luwak. Luwak is the picky and smart animal. The eating coffee bean around fragmentation the stomach and then the dropping the poop. The poop we call the luwak coffee. The poop from animal more expensive coffee in the world because the animal luwak they have special enzyme. For the coffee we have just 2 seasons. The 6 month season, 6 month not in season. The animal luwak also just nocturnal animal. Morning cannot see, only see in the night.
So there's a poop there.
The poop and then not from the coffee, it is from the banana.
Ow.
Oh, okay.
Because animal every day we give banana and papaya.
Okay.
Oh, banana and
Coffee animal we give coffee bean.
Oh, name?
Name Rocky.
Rocky. Hello, Rocky.
And then I'm sorry, and here we have only just small plantation, just only good for show. In the another place we have more bigger plantation. We have around 20 animals.
Oh, okay.
And then here we have the plant is the vanilla. For the vanilla we use for coffee.
Oh, vanilla bean.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
have vanilla coffee.
vanilla bean.
Yeah, vanilla stick. Because just still young.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's come to make coffee powder. We have coffee, processed coffee, all with hand. Just for the show, all with hand. In another place, the big plantation, processed with the machine. Yeah. And here we have Bali, Robusta, and Arabica. The animal eating the coffee, Arabica, Robusta, and the Bali. Because the animals, you know, this one coffee is good, this one coffee is not good. The animal, the eating coffee, the real coffee, the pressed coffee, the red one. And this is now just only for the sample. The animal, the eating coffee, the red one. The animal just swallow the coffee around fragmentation the stomach. They come out seem like that. Because for the coffee, we have special gel inside. Yeah. And then the lua eating coffee, this the poop we come out seem like that. Yeah. And then this we process, we clean, we wash with hot water, and then we dry by sun. The second one clean again, come out seem like that.
And then what's that?
And then the
The
second
lower
one, clean
coffee.
again to put hot water, come out him like that. And this is the can peel out for the skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there's one.
We have the coffee bean inside.
Oh.
Here, the coffee bean inside, and then we put here, we roasting. Roasting around 20 minutes until 45, until coffee become change to brown one with slow firewoods. After that, coffee we put here. We ground it.
Oh, ground coffee, manual. Oh,
I go there.
yeah.
There's a mangosteen also here.
Yeah.
It's like music.
Yeah. And then we sip to get coffee powder, to get the instant coffee. And then for the coffee is ready.
Oh.
Yeah.
The last process, this is the instant coffee. Prepare only just put hot water, yeah.
Wow.
It's a low coffee, yeah?
And no, and this is the luwak,
I get this one.
yeah.
What is that?
The Bali local
Wow.
coffee.
Nice.
Oh,
Yeah, smell
wow.
more strong.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, we have the
Smells
mango
delicious.
skin, yeah, for the skin we use for the tea.
oh
We have,
tea.
yeah,
Okay.
mango stem tea. And then here we have around little bit spices. We have the curcuma we use for the tea. We have ginger we use tea and coffee. And the other one all we use for cooking similar with the galanga,
Yeah, just
the
like
aromatic ginger, the white pepper, nutmeg, cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, clove, yeah.
Yeah, clove,
Good for the cigarette.
Yeah.
And then also maybe you problem for the tooth, you can put in the tooth.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, the clove, and then we have the chili after we dry. We have the star anise, and we have coriander.
Coriander.
The tea and coffee all already we have the name.
Oh.
Except chocolate Bali coffee is without sugar and all already with mixed sugar.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Maybe would you
We'll
like to try the luwak coffee?
Pre-taste tayo guys, pre-taste. This is the kasaba. Oh my god, the ginger, it tastes like ginger. This one, next
This
one
is
is the kasaba, yeah. Kasaba chips. Very good, ah.
Yeah. Bit salty, but nice.
This one is the oh, lemongrass tastes good. This next one is the mangosteen. Mangosteen. Oh, I like mangosteen.
Mainit pala.
Hindi siya iced tea, guys. The next one is Rosalinda. The next one is the coffee. What's this coffee?
It tastes
Ginger coffee. Ginger coffee is the next one. Ginger coffee.
yan ang like it.
This one is chocolate milk.
Hindi akin yan.
Ha?
Sarap siya. Mag-vlog din ako eh. Sige, tapusin muna kita.
Pwede na tapusin niyo daw ako. Hindi pa tayo nag-umpisa guys. Tatapusin na tayo. This is Bali. This is the Bali coffee. This is the Bali coffee.
Coffee tasting.
Very strong. This is depress daw si Macy. Ginseng coffee. Oh, I like the ginseng coffee. This one is the vanilla coffee.
Simpi manasa. Mga maka...
Very nice coffee, vanilla.
You put it Isuli mo sa mga dapat kalagyan para alam ko.
This is the Bali.
This is chocolate kasi amoy chocolate siya.
Ginseng.
Ito lemon. Abo, busog na ako nito.
Ah.
Hindi na tayo kain ng lunch. Ano? Okay lang ba sa'yo?
Yeah. Pero mag-dinner tayo ng maayos.
Pero sabi no target natin libre.
Ha?
Libre yung lunch natin.
Saan?
Sabi nga kanina eh.
Doon yata sana. At simple.
Tanungin mo na.
Hindi. Doon sa temple yung sabi niya. Ayoko doon. Well, actually, busog pa tayo noon, di ba?
Ano pa?
Ito yung masarap sa lahat. Siyempre, mas masarap siya.
Coffee.
Okay.
Yeah,
this
this
is
This is another tasting for you. We have coffee with the avocado,
Okay.
coffee with the coconut, coffee with the peanut, coffee with the mocha, and then we have the curcuma tea or the turmeric. Yeah.
Oh, that
Little
one.
bit more. Avocado coffee, coconut, peanut, mocha, and curcuma.
Peanut,
Okay.
mocha.
And this is the most expensive
This
coffee in the whole
more
world.
expensive coffee in the world.
Yeah.
For the luwak coffee, you test without sugar.
Ooh.
If you like sweet, you put the palm sugar. Yeah.
Palm sugar?
palm sugar.
Okay. Okay.
Cannot you put with the sugar cane for the luwak coffee? Later you test is more sour.
Oh. Is that why? Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
You
Like
enjoy. Yeah.
contradict.
Because I wanna go to washroom.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Enjoy first.
We'll go later.
Okay,
This
try
is the
the
expensive.
most expensive coffee in the whole wide world.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's called luwak coffee.
Intakita nga iti ko apayaw. Ibon. Okay, try it na.
Hindi na natin lalagyan na ano.
Try it muna without.
Try.
This is a 60. Mano aja ko na
60 no, 6,000 rupiah.
Try without sugar. Minam tit kape nga intak.
Mapait na mapait na parang medyo maasim. Akin ako naman
We tried the most expensive coffee in the whole wide world. It's Luwak coffee and it's ano na gana animal?
Civet cat.
Huh?
Luwak. Civet cat.
It was pooped by a cat.
Yeah. That's sweeter.
I like it.
Lagyan natin lungo ng palm sugar. Palm daw, di ba?
Yes.
A palm sugar.
Yeah.
Ano ba ang Tagalog ng palm sugar, Apayaw?
Palm is kamay.
Kamayin mo?
Oh, that's smell good. Anong coffee na to kasi?
Avocado.
Avocado is
And that
Taste.
is peanut. Peanut nut.
This is peanut.
Siguro para sa mayayaman, okay yan. Kasi nga mayaman sila, hindi nila... This is avocado coffee.
Ginataan ito. Ginataang kape.
Avocado?
Coconut.
Avocado daw to. Peanut. Tingnan natin kung masarap ang peanut.
Ano na yung isa? Pinakalas?
Hindi ko na alam nung hindi ko may kabesa eh. Peanut? Wala siyang lasang peanut. Ano to? Mocha yata. Yeah, this is mocha. Bukaw na payawon. I don't know what's this.
ba to?
Huwag mo ko itulak, maasira yung ating... Ano yata yung mo? Nalipata ko.
Turmeric, this one.
Ay, okay. Give me turmeric. Apayaw. Nga nagtatrabaho ka ba? 9 a.m. lang. Nagtatrabaho ka?
Ini common sugar ata ko, ah?
Yes, you can taste it. Tingnan.
This is with the farm sugar now, the most expensive coffee in the whole wide world. It's called, it's called what? Luwak.
Luwak coffee.
Everything gets better with coffee. Yes, yes, yes. Life
Okay.
begins after coffee.
So come to our store if you want to buy coffee.
Yeah,
For the flavor coffee, for the flavor tea. And this is for the luwak coffee.
okay.
For the luwak, we have bean, semi, and instant.
Mm. And these are the prices for...
For the luwak coffee, 450,000.
Oh. And how many, oh, it's the same as this one.
This pea.
Yeah, 100 grams.
Same price.
Yeah.
Oh, same price for the luwak.
Yeah.
Okay, this is you have change for the luwak coffee. Then you want to buy the luwak coffee.
Yeah, how much we can buy? How much we can buy? How much we have money left?
Okay.